Hello, so I'm just going to go through how to use the 2020 Operation Weekly Bridge. Very much the same as last year. So if you know how to use the one that is last year, you should be fine. But I'm just going to point out some details for you. So instead of having the managers per tab, you're going to have it per floor, per tab. So I've got the manager, low ground, all the way up to the vineyard as well as CCP. Now, make sure every partner, their name appear once within the whole group, because if there you have duplication of names, it's not going to work well. So um, this is what I've spotted. So this person, the data is not coming through. So I'll copy, Control C to copy the name, and then I'll go on to this tab called All Names. Now the All Names will have all the planners. So this is CCP, Lower Ground, you got the Vineyard here, you got um, all the data with all the names. So I'm going to do Control F, Control V to define. Now you see this person's name appear twice in this set of rota. So one is in second floor, okay, 2 times. So the next one is in CCP. So what happened is the data here, it will go through in this direction. It go through the manager, vineyard, CCP, low ground, all the way through to the end. So if it spots the same name twice, it will always stop at the first point. So that would be CCP. So that's why you got a blank here. So what you need to do is you have to go to CCP. Hold on. So I got a combined planner, which is another spreadsheet which look at every um, planner there is for operation. And of course, I'm going to find this person. It's still under the find a function. See, it's blank. So that's what it's picking up. So you have to go back to the original, because this is reading. This is not the actual um, place where you have the original data. So you go to maybe like a choose date tab here, and we go to CCP, this one, and then you press on the pop-up, and then you go and delete this person from here. Right. So I'm just going to pause and I'll come back. So CCP, this person, and it's a blank. Right. So what you do is you delete this name. It could be that somebody's trying to add this person onto this rota, but you haven't copied the formulas in, and you haven't copied the formulas in. You see this person is a blank. So if we actually go to the CCP tab on, now I'm getting confused, hold on this particular weekly bridge, if this woman is on here, can you see? Yeah, it's a blank. So if you actually tidy up all this data like this, it will actually pull through. Oh, I'm doing the read only. I'm also getting confused as well. Just now I was trying to amend the situation in a combined planner, read only. Read only mean this is actually reading from the original. So the original is this one here. So your original planner will give data to these two. Yeah. So the combined planner will it does a lot of things. You got a set of videos right at the beginning. Watch it. Once you watch it, it is quite a powerful spreadsheet. If you don't use it, it will be a great shame because in one spreadsheet you can print every single person's rota on here, and it also make comparison as well. It also break down the yeah, it just does a lot of things. Yeah. And so to add in more lines, you literally just go ahead and insert above or below, select the entire line like this, copy it, Control C to copy, Control V, and then you can delete the name and then use this to add in new people. It's very straightforward. To delete the lines, you can just select it here and then just go and delete. Very easy. So if you feel that you don't want to share your tab with other people, for example, level 1, you can just duplicate the tab and just call it um, your team's name, and then you can just go and select all the other people and then delete. There you go. You have your own tab. That's just an example. And then you go back to here and then you delete your name on here, your team on here. So duplicating a tab and deleting, adding is very easy. So if you don't get it, just watch this video again. I have actually made some improvement on this spreadsheet, but it is so subtle you won't know about it, and it will take too long for me to explain. But the way it actually draw information from the other planners is more sophisticated than before, or rather more simplified than before. So to choose the date for all the different tabs, you choose it on choose date tab and choose it here, and then all the other tabs will change. You will have this area which tell you the sub department and the manager team. That could be quite useful. But remember, you can't have two identical names within the whole group. You can't have two identical names within the entire branch. It has to be different. Yes. You will mess it up if you have two identical names because it will always stop at the first one and will never go to the second name. Thank you very much. If you have any question, go to the scheduling team first. Thank you. Bye bye.